I'm on a fairly fresh copy of Focal Pup 32. I have installed Synapse, which is the application launcher. I'll show you. So you can launch all other programs and so on, and we'll close that. And I also installed simple screen recorder so I can record this. Default setting in almost all the PuppyLinux, the background tends to be too white. For example, when we fire up Rock's file manager, background is white, and there are ways of getting to a dark, but it is somewhat convoluted from what I'm going to show you today. I found out that the numix-dark theme works very well. A way to get that is you have to download a Bookworm Pup 64, which I'll leave a link to. And once you download it, so I have downloaded here, so all you need to do is just click on it and mount it. So we want to mount it, and then we'll make it minus a key here, make it smaller. It's easier for me to read. And go to Puppy SFS file here, and then you click on it and you want to view contents, and again we'll go ahead and minus, and then we'll go to USR folder, share folder, and then within it you can go to themes, and here you'll see a numix-dark. So what we'll do is we'll right click and then copy, and then we'll start the rocks here on a Focal Pup 32, and we'll again go to USR, share, and then minus again to make it small, easier to navigate, and then go to themes, and then we'll go ahead and copy it into Focal Pup 32. So we're going to go ahead and paste here. So now we have numix-dark in Focal Pup 32. So after that's done, well, we'll go ahead and I'll just show you my overall plan. Go ahead and close, and then what we'll do today is just download the Bookworm Pup 64, which I just did, and we're going to copy the numix-dark theme into a Focal Pup 32, and then we'll go ahead and use the JWMDesk or here, and then we'll go ahead and start configuring it within a Focal Pup 32. So that's the plan, and then what I'll do is we'll go ahead and start the menu here, and we can go straight to theme, or you can go to desktop settings and go to theming, which you end up with the same window here. Then what you want to do is go to app decorations, and then you can click on the arrow, and then you will find numix-dark, which is the one we just installed. So we're just going to click it, and then we're going to go to the more button, and then again we're going to click the numix-dark, and you'll see that it turns dark instantly. Icons theme, I prefer Puppy Flat. This is mainly with a Rocks Filer icons. And then font. So right now these fonts are configured default at 10, and we'll just make it slightly larger. And you'll see that it gets tiny bit larger here. And then we're going to apply now, and we're just going to close everything now. So you can see that already desktop settings has turned a dark background, which is what I prefer. And then we'll go ahead and look at the now. Once you reboot or restart Window Manager by typing in restart WM and ampersand sign and enter, you'll get rest of many other applications that already will convert into the dark background, but I won't do that because it'll start the simple screen recording. So we'll just go ahead and but then before you refresh the Window Manager, you do get some applications that's already changed the background. So we'll look at the Rocks Filer. So you can see the Rocks Filer background is also dark, which is my preference. And then you can see that it's hard to see the color fonts of the folders and files and so on. So what you can do is go to the right click options and then go to types colors, and then you can go ahead and directory, you can change the colors to a lighter color, and regular file you want to just make it as maximum white as possible. And then you can adjust all the other colors to your liking, but then you end up having this, which is much easier to read. And also even a GIMP, the Genie editor, this portion has turned dark, which is what I prefer. So this is just a quick, easy demonstration of how you can have a dark theming background in any PuppyLinux by simply copying one folder from a bookworm PUP64.